drop test of a knuckle sandwich 8-inch chef knife from about 36 inches. Okay, there's one drop. No apparent issues. I'm gonna drop it again from the side. Some mounts there. Drop it from the back. In an effort to simulate all the ways it can drop off of the counter. That's the third set drop. Here we go with the fourth one. That one hit the blade a little bit, teeny bit of burr. Tip isn't bad. We're going to drop it on the tip now. Straight down, watch on. And the tip, it chipped a little piece of concrete out of the floor, and the tip is just slightly bent, which can be fixed. Do one more drop. We're going to do a 6 drop on the back of the handle. Ready? Center of one of the mosaic rivet just start to pop a little bit. This is on a solid concrete floor from 36 inches, so after 6 drops, that's all that happened there, and a little bit of bend when we dropped it directly on the tip. No issue with the blade, no chips in the blade.